In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move tasks between projects in Asana. If you're juggling multiple projects and need to shift tasks around, this guide is just for you. It's quick, straightforward, and powerful for maintaining an organized workflow. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Asana and go to the home page. Opening up Asana's main dashboard gives you a bird's eye view of the projects you have underway. Familiarize yourself with the layout here, as it makes navigating much easier when you're working between different projects. Next, locate and click on the project that contains the task you want to move. This might be a project you've been working on for a while or a newly initiated one. In any case, ensure you're in the correct project by reviewing its title or the task listed under it. This is your starting point and will be crucial for the steps that follow. Once inside the project, look for and click on the specific task you wish to move. If the project has many tasks, you might need to use search functionalities or filters to pinpoint the task quickly. Clicking on the task will open up its detailed view, providing more options for management. In the task details, find the More icon, which is represented by 3 dots. Click on this icon. It acts as a drop-down menu where you'll find several options related to task management. Explore these if you're curious, as it can help you discover more features to enhance your productivity. From the drop-down menu, select Add to another project. This feature allows a single task to appear in multiple projects, facilitating better task allocation and resource management. It's especially useful if the task intersects different team workflows, or you need cross-collaboration. Now, a list of available projects will appear. Click on the project you want the task moved to. At this stage, make sure you're selecting the right one to avoid any confusion later. You have the freedom to choose any project that suits your organizational needs or the requirements of your team. After selecting the desired project, you'll notice the task presence in the new project's task list, effectively moving it from one project to another. Be sure to verify that the task now appears as expected within the new project. It's always good practice to double-check to ensure nothing is amiss. And just like that, you've successfully moved a task between projects in Asana. This simple yet effective method enables you to shuffle tasks around as your projects evolve, keeping your workflow both flexible and efficient. By following these steps, you can ensure that your project management remains seamless and adaptable. Thank you for watching today's guide, and happy organizing.